Welcome to this second lecture on Laplace transform. Myself Hari Soni and I am assistant professor at the Department of Applied Science JIT Jodhpur. In previous lecture we discussed Laplace transform of some special function. Today we will study the property of Laplace transform. Now first, linear property of Laplace transform. What is linear property? Let Laplace transform of f1t equal to capital F1s and Laplace transform of f2t equal to capital F2s. Then Laplace transform of c1 f1t plus minus c2 f2t equal to c1 Laplace transform of f1t plus minus c2 Laplace transform of f2t also equal to c1 capital F1s plus minus c2 capital F2s, where c1 and c2 are constants. Then proof. By definition of Laplace transform, Laplace transform of c1 f1t plus minus c2 f2t. We know that by definition of Laplace transform, integration of 0 to infinity e की power minus st, and this is your function. So c1 f1t plus minus c2 f2t dt. By separating these two terms, then we get c1 integration 0 to infinity e की power minus st f1t dt plus minus c2 integration 0 to infinity e की power minus st f2t dt. We know that this is Laplace transform, so we can write in this form. Then we get c1 Laplace transform of f1t plus minus c2 Laplace transform of f2t. Then finally we get c1 f1s plus minus c2 f2s. This is linear property of Laplace transform. Now some important property of Laplace transform. There are three property. First property, first shifting property. What is first shifting property? Let Laplace transform of f1t equal to capital Fs, then Laplace transform of e की power at ft equal to capital F s minus a, where a is a real or complex. Proof. By definition of Laplace transform of e की power at ft equal to integration 0 to infinity e की power minus s e की power at ft dt. Then we can write this integration 0 to infinity e की power minus bracket s minus at ft dt. Now let s minus a equal to u, then we can write integration 0 to infinity e की power minus ut ft dt. This is Laplace transform, so we can write in this form f of u, and u is s minus a, so final is f of s minus a. Now second property is second shifting property. In this property, let Laplace transform of f of t equal to capital F of s and g of t equal to f of t minus a when t greater than 0 and equal to 0 when t less than 0. Then Laplace transform of g over t equal to e की power minus st capital F of s. Proof. By definition of Laplace transform of gt equal to limit 0 to infinity e की power minus st gt dt. By splitting limit in two parts according to this, when t less than 0 it means limit 0 to a and t greater than a, it means limit a to infinity. Then we split 0 to infinity limit in two parts, 0 to a and a to infinity. Then integration is 0 to a e की power minus st gt dt plus limit a to infinity e की power minus st gt dt. According to this function gt equal to 0 because of limit 0 to a. Now in the second integration this term will be 0, and second term let t minus a equal to u, then dt equal to du, and according to this limit are 0 to infinity. Then Laplace transform of gt equal to this term will be also 0 plus limit 0 to infinity e की power minus st a plus u f of u del u. Now e की power minus sa 0 to infinity limit 0 to infinity e की power minus su fu du equal to e की power minus s a limit 0 to infinity e की power minus st ft dt. We change function u in function t by integration property. This is integral transform, so we can write e की power minus s f of s. Now third property, change of scale property. Let Laplace transform f of t equal to capital F of s, then Laplace transform of f of at equal to 1 upon a f of s upon a. Proof. By definition of Laplace transform of f of at equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus st and f of at dt. In right hand side let at equal to u, then dt equal to del u upon a. Therefore this integral written as Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e की power u upon a f of u del u upon a, then 1 upon a limit 0 to infinity e की power minus s upon a u f of u du. This is Laplace transform. We can write 1 upon a capital F of s upon a. Now we will discuss some examples based on property of Laplace transform. Question first. Find the Laplace transform of the following function. Question number first. We have a given function e की power minus 4t cos hyperbolic 2t. We know that Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic 2t equal to s upon s square minus 4. This is Laplace transform of this function. ठीक. Now by shifting property, first shifting property, then we find Laplace transform of e की power minus 4t cos hyperbolic 2t equal to f of s plus 4. Then we get by this s plus 4 whole square minus 4. By solving we get s plus 4 upon s square plus 8s plus 12. Now question number second. We have given function t plus 2 का whole square e की power t, then Laplace transform of t plus 2 whole square 2. Then we can open this bracket, then Laplace transform t square plus 4t plus 4, by linearity property, Laplace transform of t square plus 4 Laplace transform of t plus 4 Laplace transform of 1. We know that Laplace transform of t square equal to factorial 2 upon s cube plus 4 Laplace transform of t equal to 1 upon s square plus 4 Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 upon s. By solving this, we get 4 plus 4s plus 4s square upon s cube is capital F of s. Therefore, by shifting property, to calculate Laplace transform of e की पावर t plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू f of s minus 1, then by this we can find 2 plus 4 s minus 1 plus 4 s minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन s minus 1 का होल क्यूब. By solving this we get finally this answer. Now question number 3rd. In this question we have given cos hyperbolic at cos at. Now Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at cos at. We know that we can write cos hyperbolic at in this form, e की power at plus e की power minus at upon 2 cos at. Open this bracket, then we can find 1 by 2 and using linearity property, Laplace transform of e at cos at plus Laplace transform of e की power minus at cos at. We know that Laplace transform of this function is s minus a upon s minus a का होल स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस a upon s plus a का होल स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. By solving this we get final this answer. Question number 4. We have given sin hyperbolic at and cos at and sin hyperbolic at sin at. Then we find Laplace transform. We have Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at is a upon s square minus a square. This is a Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at. Now by using shifting property, Laplace transform of e की power minus at sin hyperbolic at equal to f of s minus iota a equal to a upon s minus iota a का होल स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर. Now e की power iota a we can write in this form, cos at plus iota sin at. Then Laplace transform of cos at plus iota sin at bracket sin hyperbolic at is e upon s square. By solving this, s square minus 2a square minus 2 iota sin a. By solving this we can final this answer, and by separating real or imaginary part, then we get Laplace transform of cos at sin hyperbolic at equal to s square minus 2a square bracket a upon s square plus 4a power 4, and Laplace transform of sin at sin hyperbolic at equal to 2a square s upon s square plus 4a square. Now next question, obtain the Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at upon root t. Using the definition we have Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at upon root t equal to Laplace transform of 1 upon root t. We can write cos hyperbolic as e की power at plus e की power minus at upon 2. Then by using linearity property we can write 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e की power at upon root t plus 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e की power minus at upon root t. Now 1 by 2 is common, then 1 by 2 Laplace transform of this function is gamma 1 by 2 s minus a 1 by 2 plus gamma 1 by 2 s plus a 1 by 2 by using first shifting property. Using standard result of Laplace transform, we know that gamma half equal to root pi. Then in this term we can common gamma half, then gamma half is root pi, then root pi upon 2 and 1 upon s minus 1 का power half plus 1 upon s plus a का power half. This is a final answer. Now final question, find the Laplace transform of f of t equal to sin bracket t minus pi by 3 when t greater than pi by 3 and 0 when t less than pi by 3. This question based on second shifting property. Let phi t equal to function sin 80, phi t equal to sin 80, then f of t equal to phi t minus pi by 3 when t greater than pi by 3 and 0 when t less than pi by 3. Then Laplace transform of phi t equal to Laplace transform of sin t, and we know that Laplace transform of sin t 1 upon s square plus 1. This is a Laplace transform. Therefore by second shifting property we can find that Laplace transform of ft e की power minus pi by 3 s f of s. Then we can find final answer e की power pi s upon 3 1 upon s square plus 1. Assignment for you, complete this assignment in your notebook. If you have any problem, then you ask to me.